राम मंदिर से जुड़े कथित लूट और अनियमितताओं को लेकर राजनीतिक बयानबाजी तेज हो गई है। सवाल उठाया जा रहा है कि क्या करोड़ों हिंदुओं की आस्था को ठेस पहुंची है और इस मामले में तेजी से एफआईआर क्यों नहीं हो रही। साथ ही जांच और कार्रवाई की पारदर्शिता पर भी बहस छिड़ी हुई है।
8 people have been arrested so far.
I'm aware of this. So look at the numbers. Now in 2020, the auditors had already flagged that you're looking at these donations which are going to come in, and these are raw donations. So somebody's going to give cash, so 3,500 crores of raw donations have come in, and there is no audit trail, there is no receipt whatsoever. Second, what is missing? 70 kilos of silver, 1,250 kilos of gold. You have 200 crores in cash. Now they say the Paduka and the necklace of the Lord is also missing. You have the Sindhi community being extremely vocal and saying that, we've donated 200 silver bricks of a kilo each, and they have no idea where that is gone, with Julelal's photograph and Julelal's thing of it. So under those circumstances, what you find is that we've got, and what are these small 8 people that you have arrested? Who are these small 8 people that you have arrested? Who are these small 8 people that you've arrested? This trust is looked after by the Prime Minister. He has gone and done the temple. What are you talking about? And Yogi is saying don't politicize the issue. You have millions of Hindu devotees that place their faith in you, and this is what you're doing. Where is the cash? This Champat Rai is Lampat now. What have you been doing? Is he the only person there? Who are the names there? Nipendra Mishra, even this Ganesh Kumar, I believe, Vanish Kumar, wherever he goes, something vanishes. Our votes vanished in Bengal. Now Ganesh Kumar is in this trust. Again, the money has vanished from there. So this trail of vanishing seems to be following Mr. Ganesh Kumar.
And Didi, what's your reaction on Sanjay Raut?
Sanjay Raut always says what he likes. I'm not saying, but I'm also curious as to know where that money is gone. And the BJP, whenever they want to get rid of our chief minister, they do these deals. So I also hear from the BJP that Amit Shah is an anti-lobby of Yogi, and he's getting this done to get Yogi in trouble before the election. We hear they want to remove Mohan Yadav, so they are doing the land scam. So all these conspiracy theories, wheels within wheels, are also within the BJP.
But they are alleging that the 2,000 crore rupees splits between.
So that I'm sure you'll have to ask Mr. Raut. Thank you.
Thank you.